tunjukkan ke demo ni?
Kita dah nak mulakan. Kita akan tengok Tuan Zul buat demo dulu.
Okey. Kawan-kawan, tengok baik-baik.
Kawan tengok baik. Okey. Semasa berayut, tentukan tangan lurus, pegang palang dia satu persatu sehingga ujung. Dan sampai ujung. Kita mendarat. Okey, tepuk tangan untuk Tuan Zul. Okay, siapa yang nak buat dulu?
Kawan-kawan.
Bukan saya.
Okey.
Koyim. Wah. Bas paling suka dengan semangat Koyim ni. Koyim. Koyim boleh.
Okey, Koyim.
Hati-hati tau.
Semangat, Koyim. Okey.
Tengok kawan. Bagi semangat.
Okey, Koyim. Okey.
Jom.
Semangat. Go.
Jom, Im.
Koyim boleh.
They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds. Another cog in the murder machine. They said I'm teenage and scared, the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes, or strike a violent pose. Maybe it'll leave you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will...
Wah, kawan-kawan. Jacqueline berjaya melepasi halangan ini. Wah, bagus juga kawan-kawan semua. Aina pun bagus tadi Bas tengok. Kamu dapat melepasi berapa?
8.
Wah, bagus. Tivia pun sama.
6.
Tapi Bas agak kecewa lah dengan kawan-kawan yang lelaki ni. Macam mana ni Asrik? Apa-apa pun tak apa. Yang penting semangat tu harus mesti ada tau. Tuan Abu.
Katun ke?
Memang dah tahu-tahu lah Tuan Abu. Sekarang jom kita raikan kemenangan Jacqueline dengan kartun Rockman X.